Hello and welcome back. This is Rafy once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing with the easiest affiliate program where you don't have to generate any sale. Simply, you have to share your affiliate URLs, and whenever someone will sign up with a free account on the program, you are going to get from $7 to $10. And I have got payment several times, and I'm going to show you my payment proofs first, and after that I'm going to talk details about the program and how to join the program and share and other stuffs. So without further ado, let me share this. If you just take a look here, free trial signups, I have got 64 free trial sign up on this affiliate program, and so far I have made $448. These are my old payments. My story is here. I started working with this affiliate program in 2019, but for some reason I stopped promoting their products. But again, I started promoting recently and I have got my most recent payment. So before I show you my most recent payment, I'd love to show you the payment proof that I received these amounts on my Pioneer account. So if I take you to my Pioneer account, you are going to see on 9th January 2020, I received a payment of $194 from that affiliate program. And on 21st January 2020, I received another payment of $249 from that affiliate program. Now, let me show you my most recent affiliate program, which is quite small, but the amount is growing. So let me take you to another email address here, which is not mine. As you may know, I'm from Bangladesh where PayPal is not supported. So my affiliate, most of the affiliate commissions, I sent the payment to one of my relatives' PayPal account who lives in UK. So now I'm going to make a search here, Skillshare payment, and hit enter. And if you just notice here, the most recent payment I got from this affiliate program is 16th January 2022. Now if I open this link up, you're going to notice the payment was a little amount, $30, but this is the starting. Now let me take you to the website and let me show you how it is growing. So if I take you to skillshare.com, and I used to promote the product earlier as just an affiliate, which you can do as well. But as of now, I am joined in this program as a teacher, so I am getting a little more amount than what you will get if you're not a teacher. So if I take you here, and after that if I click on this refer a friend button, it is going to show me like share your teacher profile, earn 10 per sign up. No sale. Whenever someone will sign up, I'm going to get paid. You are going to be able to get paid as well. So every student who sign ups using your referral links gets 1 month free of Skillshare free. So whenever you will share your affiliate URL of this program, anyone who have got some interest to learn any new skill, technical skill, tech skill, it could be web development, graphic design, social media marketing, digital marketing, and many other categories available on this platform. If you just click on this, you are going to find thousands of courses available which are premium. And whenever you will share your affiliate URL, whenever someone sign up through that URL, they are going to get 1 month of free premium membership. They will be able to access all of the courses available on this platform, which are free and premium. All right, so they're going to get 1 month free, which is really going to help you get the signups. Right now, let me just show you. Whenever I will, as you can see here, as of now, I'm going to get $10. If you're not a teacher, then you are going to get $7 for every sign up. So I'm going to share that information as well. But before that, if you just notice, as I have mentioned, I stopped working for this affiliate program, but recently I started again. As you can see here, I started promoting this product again from the mid-December of 2021. And on that month, I generated 3 signups, as you can see here. So on 15, like 25th December, I got a sign up. On 2012, like 20th December, I got another sign up, and on 14th December, I got another sign up. So for these 3 signups, I actually got the payment of $30. But if you just notice here, on every 16th, like every month on the 16th date, they sent the payment. So as you can see here, I have got these starts paid out, and if you just notice this February 16 2022, they sent the money already to the way, towards the way, and the money is coming into my PayPal account, actually my relative's PayPal account, and I'm going to receive a new email soon. So if you just notice here how much I have made, or I'm going to get paid today within like few hours, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 100 US dollars are going to come and add into my PayPal account. Just take a look, from 30 US dollars I am now on 100 US dollars, and these are already I have got in my account, which are going to be pending, and by the next 16th March I'm going to get the payment of these amounts, or the more signups that will be added here, they will be added to added for the next payment date. Okay, so this is how it works. Now let me show you how to join this program. So after visiting Skillshare, if you go to the bottom of the page, you are going to find this affiliates option. Simply you have to click on this affiliates option. After that, you'll be landed to this page, become a Skillshare affiliate, and just take a look, earn $7 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. So whenever someone will sign up by using your affiliate URL, you are going to get $7 US as an affiliate. Now, how to join? Simply you have to click on this join free button, but before that I'd love to share some other information. As you can see here, please read all the details available on this page so that you'll be able to learn more about their rules and regulations and how it works. And so now let's say you decided to join this program. Simply you have to click on this join for free button, and it is going to take you to the impact radius, which I have shown here, which I used to promote the product from, and I got my first affiliate commission from this program, from this platform actually. So here we go. Here is the page where you have to sign up. On this page, as you can see here, make more money from your traffic and audience. So here you have to provide your information, your first name. Let's say my name is Azharul Rafy, so I'm going to type out Azharul Rafy. After that, you have to provide your email address. Again, you have to provide your email address, then provide a username. So let's say Rafy MM is already given here for my details. So as I have already created an account, I don't have to create one, but just to mention this information. So here you have to provide an unique username, then you have to provide password 2 times, and then company information. In this place, most of you guys might going to get stuck, but don't worry. If you don't have a company, simply you have to provide your name. As I have provided my name here on this company name, I actually provided my name Azharul Rafy here. And after the company website, if you have got the website, you can simply add your website URL here. But let's say if you don't have a website, what you can do, you can create a free website on blogger.com. You can create your website on doric.com, and you can create your website with free hosting, free domain. For on WordPress, I have got some tutorials already on my YouTube channel. You can watch them and create your website, and then paste the URL here. Then select your country according to your geography. You have to select your country, provide your address information, then make sure you're selecting this field properly. Let's say I'm from Bangladesh, I have to add Bangladesh from here, and then the code will be appeared. Then I have to provide my phone number here. Okay, then you have to choose your currency. I would suggest you to go with US dollars or whatever you'd love to. And after that, the time zone you can choose one from, and then the promotional information, one of the important part of this video and of this affiliate program. So you have to select the partnership type or the partner type. You have to select this one from, let's say, content, where it is. Here we go. You have to select content to get approved. After that, you have to, from property type, you have to provide website, and then you have to provide your free website URL. If you already have got your website, you have to provide that URL. But if you don't have one, simply you can create your website on Blogger or on doric.com or on, let's say, WordPress. After that, if you don't have a website or if you don't want to use your website, you can add your social media links. So if I click here, it is going to show you some of the links. As you can see, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, and some other options. Now, one thing you have to keep in your mind. So if you want to add any of these social media links, they should have like few hundreds of followers or likes or subscribers on your channel. That will help you get your affiliate account approval faster for this program. Okay, and after that they have got these agreements like for every trial signups you are going to get $7, and just simply read this premium trial sign up and this kind of like informations from here. Wow, just take a look. Payout adjustments, order promo code. Wow, if someone joins with this promo code, you are going to get $8, and if someone joins with this promo code, you are going to get $18. Wow, so I'm so happy I was making this video for this reason. I've just learned instead of $10, I'm going to earn now $18 by using this promo code. So I'm going to make it work. So this is a great information for you as well. You can take this advantage. After that, you have to read some more information from here. So after providing all the information accurately, make sure you are providing accurate information because they manually verify the profiles. So after providing all the information accurately, you have to click on this sign up button, and that's it. Then you have to sign in to your Impact account and see if they approved if they approves your account, and if they approve, simply you have to start sharing the links. Now let me show you where can you get the links. Now let's say I'm going to my homepage, and after that let's select this one as an example, so TechSmith. So after selecting your profile, or sorry, the program from here, simply you have to take the landing page. So let's say I'm going to show you with TechSmith, as I am currently not an active affiliate member of Skillshare on this platform, as I'll get $7 instead of $10 if I was here. So I've chosen the Skillshare website directly. Okay, so now I'm going to click here. After that, I'm going to, let's say I want to add this page as my affiliate URL. So I'm going to copy this page. After that, I have to go back to my Impact's website page, and after that I have to select my program. Then you have to select like Skillshare, as I don't have it listed here, so I have chosen TechSmith. So then you have to provide the URL here, then click on create. Now it is going to generate an URL here. Just take a look. Now it's time to copy this URL and then share the URL on any platform. Now let me show you how you can get the affiliate signups easily. So for instance, if you just visit on, let's say, Facebook, and I'm just not going to make any post, I'm just going to show you the way. So let's say if I take you to Upwork community from here, let's say Upwork Bangladesh from here. Now in this group, you are going to find many peoples who are just started their freelancing journey, and many people who are interested to start their freelancing journey, along with much experienced peoples. Now, if you share a course here on this group properly, obviously, most likely you are going to get some free signups from these groups. Now, let me just show you some good thing about this affiliate program. If I take you to, let's say, Udemy, and let me make a search here for Photoshop course, just as an example. Okay, you are going to notice this guy. Okay, he's selling his courses for $85 for every student. Just take a look, and he got around few hundreds of students, few hundred K students plus, as you can see here. If you just notice, this course has 94,000 students, and if I take you here, this course got 50,000 plus students. Now if I take you to Skillshare website, Skillshare, just to give you an idea like how easy it is going to be for you to promote this affiliate URL. Just take a look, recommended for you. It is showing me Adobe After Effects, Adobe Illustrator, and yep, Adobe Premiere Pro CC, and many other high valued courses. This exact same course is available here, which he is selling for 85 US dollars. Now if someone sign ups using our affiliate links, they are going to get access to all of these courses for completely free of cost for the first month. Now okay, so it is really going to be helping out to get more signups on our affiliate program. So we are going to get like payments for sure. So that was it, guys. I stopped working with this program for a few reasons, but now again I just joined as they made the affiliate marketing process easier, and now I have started making money, and I thought, why shouldn't I share the way with all of you guys, so that if you are interested to make money as an affiliate marketer, you'll be able to start making money as I am doing from this platform. And you can simply join as an affiliate. If you are not a teacher, you'll be able to make money through this platform like Impact by clicking on this affiliate option. So this was it, guys. I believe you have found some information from this video, and if you have found this video helpful, please give this video a like. Let me know your opinion by commenting below. If you have got any question, please feel free to ask me by commenting below as well. And please share this video to help your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.